All right, taking a look at Jasmy. So Jasmy looks extremely healthy here, in my opinion. You can see that here on the weekly chart. We've been going sideways and staying above the 382 here, consolidating inside of this very bullish pattern here on Jasmy. And I think Jasmy is going to have a really explosive move very soon here. Maybe another week inside this triangle, depending on how we draw our lines here. But you can see there's room for about one more week, maybe two here. But ultimately, Jasmy with the spike up, the spike in volume, the volume with the zero, and we're holding support over the 382. We are bullish here. Now the weekly stock RSI, you can see, is still curling down here. But the last time it was at this level here, it shot straight back up. And that was that huge move that came in. So at any moment, I would say, like I said, it could be a couple of weeks, it could be a week, it could be any moment. But Jasmy here is bullish inside this pattern and over that 382 here. Now, I think once we take off, we do have the 0.5 here at 3.1. That is a 59% move here, 60% move. I think we're going to spike all the way up to the 618 at 5 pennies here. That is a 178% move to that price level. And then once Jasmy has a breakout over the 618 at 5, that's when we can focus our attention on potential targets for this thing. Now, we do have the 786 here for a 12 penny Jasmy here, which I'm going to have to adjust this now that we moved up. You see, going from today, if we break out a Jasmy, 12 cent Jasmy would give you about a 5x here. And if this thing can hit 35 cents, that's going to give you a 16x on Jasmy. I think this is guaranteed here, a 16x, because if you guys have been watching the channel here, we also watch the Gate IO chart here, where on the Gate IO chart, we're in the same pattern, but we're only over the 236 here, indicating the bottom is in, and we have yet to break that 5 penny mark here, which is the 382 on this chart. And on this chart, if I scroll out, you can see these 618 retracement takes you up to this 30 cent range once again, and that would give you almost the same return here, about a 16 to 17x on Jasmy. And a 786 retracement would bring you up to the dollar range and a $50 billion market cap and a 65x on Jasmy. So what do you guys think? Do you think Jasmy can hit a dollar? If so, you're looking at about a 65x here, so not bad at all, which we can adjust this now since we did move up. So instead of a 60x, you're looking at about a 54x if it does not come back down. Now going back to the Coinbase chart here, we are over the 382, and also notice the 618 here is that 5 penny mark. And I think once Jasmy gets over 5 pennies, according to both of these charts, that's when she's going to start flying here. So I am looking for a 30 to 35 cent Jasmy, so maybe it makes it all the way up almost to the high here for that 16 to 17x. I think that's almost guaranteed. And you can see this chart has a $65 billion market cap up to this one, 272 at $1.31. And going by this Coinbase chart, that would give you from today a 65x. So not bad return here for Jasmy. So how high do you think Jasmy is going to go? My target, as I always say, is about 30 to 35 cents. I think that is fair, but it's probably going to go way higher than that. So with all that being said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.